चलो हो गया सक्सेसफुली। I have seen so many diversions, but this diversion is very weird. Whenever I've seen any diversion, usually the diversion will be just next to the bridge or whatever road is. But this diversion is taking us through a village, completely village. We have made a round of complete village now. I don't know what kind of direction is this. You can see like पूरा कच्चा road है, and the road is very 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 narrow. अभी मुझे चेक करना है पूरा स्क्रैच में कहीं कार में स्क्रैचेस तो नहीं आया, because because the road was very narrow and there were bushes on both the sides of the road. While I was going through that narrow road, I heard some sound, screeching sound. I need to go and see now. I hope there will be no scratch, man. I cannot see that. अरे यार और कितना दूर जाना है, I don't know, on this road to get onto the highway. एक छोटा सा था like around 200 meters का bridge. There was a 200 meters bridge and there was some construction going on. Because of that there was a diversion. From 15 minutes I am driving in this village and still we are not on the highway. Huh? First thing I need to do is check my car. ऐसे road side में ऐसे थे ना, the way you are seeing now. Yeah, same kind of bushes were there before and that road was very very narrow, man. I couldn't avoid that. See, that's the bridge. I think that's the main road, I think. Yeah. But tractor जा रहा है. How the tractor is going, from where it has come? ये Google भी ना, don't believe Google every time.
ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो ट्रैक्टर ब्रिज के बाद से कहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ होगा. Wow, train coming. Did you see the train? ये भी अभी उस तरफ ही जा रहा है ना. Finally, we are back on track. Tower, yes.
This is still the village.
हाँ.
Highway और थोड़ा आगे है.
1.4 किलोमीटर दुमका रोड दिखा रहा था. हाँ, या राइट. और 650 मीटर्स. एडवेंचरस.
एडवेंचरस नहीं, मुझे आई एम नॉट एबल टू कंसंट्रेट ना. पहले मुझे वो चेक करना है कार स्क्रैचेस है नहीं. आई विल बी हैप्पी ओनली इफ देयर आर नो. इट विल बी एडवेंचरस इफ देयर इज नो स्क्रैच. It will be adventurous only if there is no scratch. Otherwise I am gone.
It's like one.
ये भी नहीं है highway.
It's two.
और थोड़ा. Two. हाँ, two. Oh, nice, two. वो आगे. और थोड़ा और 200 meters. इस तरह से दो साइड से व्हीकल कैसे आ सकता है यार, वो भी बस.
बट ये विलेजेस को कितना प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, थैंक गॉड फाइनली आई थिंक वी आर ऑन टू द हाईवे. बट ये विलेजेस को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा ना ऐसा वाला डायरेक्शन दिया तो.
छोटे छोटे बच्चे निकलते हैं। वॉशरूम से नहीं निकालना। अच्छा हाँ।
Now I need to see if there are any scratches. अरे चाबी मेरे पास रह गई है। I don't see as of now. इस साइड देखते, इस साइड ज़्यादा लगा है कंपेयर टू द अदर साइड। हाँ कितना मिट्टी है यार। लेट्स लुक एट माय हैंड। हाँ यहाँ पे लग गया। छी 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 छी। However, इतना तो पता नहीं चल रहा है। Yeah. Now look, can you make that? Can you see this? That's the one. Washing कराया तो clearly पता चलेगा कितना है कितना नहीं है। ठीक है चलो, what we can do, this is part of the journey. We are entering Bihar now. पता नहीं how many states we have to cross to enter Siliguri. This is our fourth state, I believe. Like Andhra, excluding Telangana, if you count Andhra, Orissa, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and this is Bihar. Total 5 states we have crossed. Total, I think in this trip we will be covering 6 states. Not 6 states, including Meghalaya and Telangana, then it will be 8 states. Great experience, man. Great experience. I'm enjoying the drive. I'm really enjoying this trip.
What is this? ये पूरा गिरा दिया।
Let's see how the roads in Bihar are. We will have lunch somewhere in Bihar only. We are slightly feeling hungry. Let's taste the food of Bihar as well. Assam का हो गया, sorry, Orissa का हो गया, West Bengal का हो गया, and we'll taste the food in Bihar. And a very important point to notice, food is very very cheap in West Bengal, man. We had, right, never it crossed 400 rupees for a lunch or a dinner. Every time like it used to be 370, 350 rupees. See, again it is showing to take a tea break. Okay, I'll take tea break, don't worry my boss. So what I was saying, yeah, in West Bengal the food is very very cheap. For breakfast it used to be 100, 120 like that, and for lunch it used to be 350 rupees, 400, not more than 400. It is very cheap. I was expecting that at least like we need to spend 2,000 to 3,000 rupees for 3 of us, including my son. You can count it as 4. For 4 of us, I thought the bill would go up to 4,000 or 3,000 rupees per day. But to my surprise, it's very cheap, and it's not at the cost of taste. The taste is also very good, especially that dal tadka. I love that dal tadka. Completely 2 days I had dal tadka only. However, we did not stay in a hotel because my wife's home is there in Kolkata, so we directly went to her home and we stayed there for 2 days. We are just checking if you are on the right way or not. Just look at this map. See, we have set the location from Kolkata to Siliguri, and map is showing that we are here. पता नहीं ये वाला रूट क्यों लिया गूगल ने. I really don't understand, and I don't know when we will be connected to this main route. I need to see, man. Seriously, I hope this takes us properly. I don't want I don't want to reach fast or slow, but I just want to reach safely and within time.
Maya.
हाँ, धोनी पटेल। हाँ, चौधरी पथिक पटेल। हाँ, वो थाली है देखो। ये वो वड़ा है क्या? डोसा है, वड़ा, रोटी। The infrastructure.
Stopped here for lunch somewhere in Bihar. Waiting for the food.
Wow.
ये क्या रोड है? हाईवे में ऐसे ही है.
Start recording emergency video.
Okay. शायद ये हाईवे के जैसे दिखता है, बट हाईवे नहीं है. This will give you a feel of highway. So we have taken this road. Like till now, we were passing through towns and villages, a single road. So we are in this road now. मैं ना लंच करते वक्त ना मुझे I was just thinking of my travel, and you know, मुझे ना I'm feeling like a great business magnate. Breakfast in West Bengal, lunch in Bihar, dinner in Assam. कितना बिजनेस बिजी पर्सन हूँ देखो मैं. यार ये रोड तो और भी खराब लग रहा है. दिस रोड इज वर्स देन दैट. ओके सामने वाला सामने से अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके लेट्स. ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ. So finally Google has cheated us and Google is taking us through Bihar and not through West Bengal. Not only now, Google tried to cheat us almost 3 to 4 times today. Luckily, wherever Google was showing different turn, we checked with the local people there, and we checked with the local people there, and we were on the right track. So be careful if you are traveling on this road. Like till now, I traveled Kerala, Karnataka. Never Google did this, but here it is showing different routes. I don't know why. So make sure if you are traveling on this route, then just don't blindly rely on Google's map. You also ask or check with local people. That will help a lot. I observed another thing here. Bihar is costlier than West Bengal. क्योंकि हम जब भी वेस्ट बंगाल में लंच या डिनर करते थे, the bill never crossed 400 or 500 rupees. But here, only lunch costed us 600 rupees. So I'm just kidding. The 100 rupees is still okay, no problem. We are not able to find any good restaurants here. Everything is whatever we are able to see are dhabas, and we cannot wait for a good restaurant, because if we don't find a good restaurant, then we'll have to starve, because we also have our son, right? He needs to have his meals on time. It's for everyone. Like having food at the right time is always good for everyone, not just kids. टोल गेट आ रहा है. टोल गेट किस लिए ले रहा है यार? रास्ता बनना नहीं ना अभी तक. It's in progress. How can they charge for a under construction road? Maybe वहाँ से शायद अच्छा होगा. I don't know. Maybe from there it will be good. चलो, I don't mind paying tolls, but paying tolls for these type of roads I don't like. Fast tag, come on, open. Okay, thank you. A small drive update. We still have 6 hours of drive and 240 kilometers of distance to cover. So I told you, right, this is taking us through Bihar. So this route is 100 kilometers longer than the usual route, which is via Malda. But the time is same again. Like even via Malda, the time it was taking is 14 and a half hours, somewhere around that. Even this route is also taking 14 and a half hours. So that is the reason I am not complaining so much, even though this route is 100 kilometers longer. Like most of the road is good except for those few kilometers, like 20 to 30 kilometers before you get onto this highway. The road is not that great, but otherwise Jharkhand roads are pretty good. Even though it's not a 4-lane highway, even though it's a single road, they are maintaining it very well. Only that Bihar, few patches, like few kilometers of road is patchy and a lot of potholes. So let's say we are on this toll road now. As you all can see. Ouch! अभी तो वो कल का इंसिडेंट होने के बाद, परसों का इंसिडेंट होने के बाद, आई एम नॉट डेयरिंग टू गो फास्ट because of that incident. At least, man, like, when you have seen something like that, that will stay in your mind, even though you're not thinking about it, right? Somewhere in the back of your mind, you know, those impressions will still be there. Otherwise, what I used to do, whenever I get a good stretch of road, I used to cover good distance, and then maybe when I get bad road, that gets balanced. But now, even though I get a good road, I am little scared to drive over 110, and I don't think those impressions will leave that easy. If something
500 meters, continue onto National Highway 333B.
Okay, this is the National Highway 333B. I don't know what does that B stands for. This is the first time this is the first time I'm listening to that word B. Maybe Bihar? B for Bihar? पता नहीं, I don't know. हो सकता है.
Continue for 15 kilometers.
Okay, so 15 kilometers. Google has ordered us to continue on this road for 15 kilometers.
सौरभ गांगुली.
It's not Saurabh, it's Saurabh.
सौरभ गांगुली. हमारे बंगाली में स नहीं होता है. 6% ही है बैटरी.
ठीक है, we have another battery. ये इधर क्या बंदा है यार, ये useless. Be watchful of these guys on this road. I've seen two guys like this. One guy just crossing the road without looking at the side he was supposed to look, and this is the other guy. अरे कुछ तो river आ गया. What is this river? Bridge तो बहुत बड़ा है. Even in terms of width and the length. In terms of length and height. कुछ आ रहा है क्या? Name of the bridge is Makhajan Bridge, and I don't know which river is flowing under this, but this is a very, very long bridge. I think I have covered around 3 kilometers already, and the bridge is still going on. There was no water this side. Yeah, I can see water now. Can you see the Scorpio in front of me? I have seen 1,000 Scorpios, man, till now in Bihar. Seriously, 1,000 Scorpios. I think Mahindra. देखो एक और Scorpio जा रहा है, एक और Scorpio. Seriously, Mahindra का ना 50% सेल्स आराम से बिहार से ही होगा. इतने सारे Scorpio, Bolero, so many Scorpios, so many Boleros. Mahindra का तो 50% सेल यहाँ से ही है. I am sure. एक और स्कॉर्पियो देखो, एक और स्कॉर्पियो देखो 5 मिनट में ही 4-5 स्कॉर्पियोज आ गए. 5 मिनट भी नहीं, हाँ 1 मिनट 1-2 मिनट में 4-5 स्कॉर्पियो. आई थिंक महिंद्रा इज कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग मोर ऑन बिहार.
यहाँ के लोगों को पसंद होगा.
हाँ वो भी है, बट देयर वर फ्यू स्कॉर्पियोज इतना स्टाइलिशली ये किया है ना, मॉडिफिकेशंस एंड ऑल, लाइक द बम्पर, द फ्रंट फेशिया एंड ऑल मस्त किया. ओनली थिंग इज just drive carefully, drive sensibly, just don't floor the pedal when you see an open stretch of road. You can be a little aggressive. Okay, we'll cross him now, enough of the time. ये बहुत slow जा रहा है. He is not even going in 80. We are 120 kilometers away from Siliguri. Our expected arrival in Siliguri is 9 PM as per Google. मुझे ना एक डाउट आया, like just let me know if anyone is aware of this point. See, in English they are writing Siliguri, RI, okay, but when they're pronouncing, they are pronouncing it as Siligudi. You got it right, DI. So why is the difference? Why is the different? I want to know. Even while writing in Hindi also they are writing as D, but while writing in English they are writing as RI. Is there any reason? Not just Siliguri. See, whatever word ending with RI, right? Re, they are pronouncing it as DI. I have seen it in West Bengal, even in Bihar also. They are pronouncing it the same way, but writing it in a different way. I thought this route will be isolated or secluded from the city, all those things, but it is totally different from what I thought. You have continuous villages throughout your route. Like every 5 kilometers you will find a village. Almost I am driving on this road for almost now 100 kilometers. Hardly I found a stretch without any village or shop. So in that sense, it's almost kind of safe to drive on this road. You will not be driving through the forest or you will not be driving through the forest. You will not be driving through the forest. अरे यार चुप करो. You will not be driving through the forest. Apparently it's. अरे यार ये क्या? The only concern I had was there were no proper restaurants. Only chai, biscuit and sweet shops. That's it. Misty shops. To be in Misty shops or sweet shops. That's it.
Mishtanno Bhandar.
Mishtanno Bhandar, it seems. I don't know what is that. Mishti means sweet, I know that only. Anno means I think rice, right?
नहीं, मिष्टान्नो मिष्टी को ऐसे बोलते. मिष्टान्नो.
Okay, anno means rice in Telugu. So I thought mishti मतलब sweet rice. Bhandar means like it's a kind of this thing, right? Storage. मतलब वही ना.
Yes.
Place where you get sweets and all, right? यार तुमको तेलुगु आ गया, मेरे साथ रह के आई नीड टू लर्न बंगाली. Bengali and Khasi as well. Khasi भी नहीं आता, you know, multiple languages. Great. As you can see that there is another diversion. The road is blocked where we were supposed to go through. This is complete off-road here, and I'm not sure till where we have this road. Man, यहाँ बिहार का diversions तो भयानक है. Seriously, man. I hope I don't get stuck anywhere. Like it's full of sand, very soft sand. The road. Oh no. मुझे रोड भी नहीं दिख रहा एग्जैक्टली कहाँ जा रहा है. जज which part is road, which part is not road. I think I have to follow that person who is going in front of me. वो हाँ, बहुत सारा सैंड है यहाँ पे. यार ये देखो कितना शार्प है. Man, you have to be very careful. This is very The edge is very sharp that side.
रोड अच्छा ही दिख रहा था, ऐसे ब्लॉक करके क्यों रखा है?
मतलब डाइवर्जन भी डाल सकते, बट ये कैसे डाइवर्जन होता है? दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम वी आर सीइंग दिस डाइवर्जन हियर.
ये कहाँ जा रहा है अभी? देखो क्या है?
ये थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है रोड. आई होप वी गेट कनेक्टेड टू हाईवे एज सून एज पॉसिबल. बट आई डोंट लाइक टू ड्राइव ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ रोड्स, स्पेशली एट दिस टाइम्स.
Especially with the areas unknown to you.
हाँ,
Sounds
हमारा
scary.
स्टेट भी नहीं है. क्या क्या डाइवर्जन्स बना देते हैं ना, सीरियसली.
Actually अभी कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ पे डरा भी दिया था कि
रोड
area
अच्छा नहीं है,
है।
एरिया अच्छा नहीं है करिए. हाँ,
But ठीक है, people are going there like few cars.
Dan maar probeer ook hier no Nagaland.
Mana?
Sini kan cuba dan no probeer
Ayo,
Nagaland.
you know Nagaland मतलब? We are back on track.
thank God. Seriously, man, that was scary road. Finally, we are back on track. I was just following the van in front of me, and we are on the way. So Siliguri is 85 more kilometers. मतलब मुझे यही डाउट आ रहा है, what if there were no signals here and there were. I'm wondering, what if you were stuck in the situation in the midnight and there are no phone signals? How? Let's say midnight, obviously people will not be there and you will not find this much of traffic. So what you will do in that situation? There is no signboard. Like, until I reached that blocker, I was not knowing that this is a diversion. After reaching that place, then I asked people that. Then they told me this road is closed, you have to take the other way. I think contractors, whoever are working on this project, should work more on signboards. And ठीक है, चलो, I hope there are no more diversions. Diversions in Bihar are very scary. However, it's not too late. Now the time is just 7:30.
Ja, we gaan
So we are still safe. I can see so many villages around and so many shops open. Nothing to worry about that. Thanks for visiting Bihar. I think we are done with Bihar. But welcome to West Bengal कहीं नहीं है.
है ना? चला गया.
चला गया.
उसी में था.
Okay, so we are back in West Bengal. Siliguri is kind of a border city between West Bengal and Bihar. Not exactly attached to the Bihar border, but yes. When you compare it with cities, yes, yeah, this Siliguri is the border city of Bihar. यार ऐसा घूमने से भी कितना कुछ नॉलेज आ जाता है ना. you get to learn you get to learn so many things practically, in fact, not just by reading books and all. We have finally reached the hotel in Siliguri. This room is very good. We did not take the regular route via Malda. I think there are 2 toll gates where we can easily get stuck for half an hour or more than half an hour sometimes. I think that is the reason Google had showed us a different way, which is through Jharkhand and Bihar. We directly enter Siliguri from Bihar. So that's the route we have taken and we are happy with it. We have covered this distance in 12.5 hours, which is quite good, and the roads are also very good. Not bad. Yep, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it. Tomorrow's journey will be to Shillong and that's our final leg. That's it, and see you guys in the tomorrow's video. Chalo, bye. Take care. Good night.